In our family, summer is the season for cabins and campfires, spending time with friends and family. Sometimes those occasions call for an adult bevy or two. Today I'm going to share with you our own secret family favorite. We call it Cabin Bucket Slush, or more simply put, Summer Slush. Stay tuned so you can make your own bucket. Cabin Bucket Slush, or Summer Slush, is a fabulous way to stay cool in the summer. I did have to put an adult rating on this video because it is dealing with booze and I'm trying to keep my channel very family friendly, so please only watch this if you're over 18. My family and I aren't huge drinkers, so when we do go to the cabin for a week, this bucket of Summer Slush usually lasts us the entire time. You do have to prepare it over a couple of days, so let's get started. So what exactly do you need to make Summer Slush? First, you need an ice cream bucket that's empty and clean with its lid. This is what you're going to be making it in. You also need a bottle of flavored vodka, or just plain vodka if that's the way you roll. I like to use the grapefruit kind. You're going to want 1 package of pink lemonade frozen juice and 1 package of orange juice frozen from concentrate. You need 1/2 cup of sugar. This is an optional ingredient, but I find it makes the drink taste better. So if you're trying to watch your weight, there's a lot of sugar in these, so you can skip this part, but I usually add it. You need 5 cups of cold water, 3 cups of strongly brewed chilled tea. I use Earl Grey, and of course, something to stir it all with. So I made this tea yesterday. Chilling overnight, it's nice and cold and it's ready to go. So the first thing I'm going to do is add the tea to my clean bucket. Next I'm going to add the 5 cups of cold water to the bucket. Next I'm going to add the sugar because that's going to make it easier to mix in before we add the frozen juices. And we're going to stir that to make sure it mixes completely. Now I'm going to pour in the vodka. We'll put all our liquids in first before we add the slush part. Now we're going to add our slush frozen juice from concentrate. We're going to mix it up really good, and then the whole thing just goes in the freezer overnight. So I've managed to get all the chunks of the frozen juice concentrate split up and mixed. Now we're going to put it in the freezer. Hopefully overnight should do it. Today is Canada Day and we're at my parents' farm in rural Alberta. And luckily the slush is ready to go, so we are going to have some. I want to give a big shout out to my sister-in-law Lindsay for sharing this recipe with us and for making it for us so many summers in a row. And I'd also like to shout out to Dustin Borglin, who kindly let me use his music track on this video. I put his link below in the description box, so you better go check out his channel. He writes all original music and he is awesome. So thank you, Dustin.
If you try my Summer Slush recipe, let me know how it turned out in the comments below. If you like this recipe, make sure to give the video a big thumbs up. And as always, remember to subscribe to my channel.